how to use Excel data validation rules. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to use data validation rules in Excel. Data validation helps you control what type of data can be entered in your cells, which is perfect for avoiding errors and keeping your spreadsheet clean and consistent. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Excel sheet first. So I'll start by selecting the range where I want to apply the rules. For example, I'll select the salary column and then uh, go to the data tab on the ribbon bar and then go to data tools and search for data validation. So here, search for data validation. Just tap on the drop down and you will see various options. So once you tap on data validation, you see a pop-up window, and then in the allow box, you need to choose whole number or decimal according to your choice. So let's say I only want salaries between 40,000 and 80,000. So I have selected whole number, and then in data, choose between. Then in minimum, enter 40,000 and in maximum, enter 80,000. And then hit OK. And now Excel will only accept numbers in that range. Data validation can also create drop-down list. This is perfect for fields like department or location. So you can select department, and then you can again go to data validation, and then in allow choose list, and then in the source box type your option separated by commas. For example, you can write HR and then finance, and then click OK. Now you have a neat drop down list with only HR and finance. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.